In my last class, I discussed about the oxidation reactions of aldehydes and ketones. Today, reduction of aldehyde and ketones will be shown. Reduction of aldehyde and ketone. You know, both are carbonyl compounds. Aldehydes and ketones may be reduced to alcohol. So number one, reduced to alcohol. Alcohols and ketones on reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, say alkane and aldehyde. We are taking an aldehyde and ketone. Aldehyde and ketone, if reduced by hydrogen in presence of nickel or palladium or platinum, nickel or palladium or platinum, if aldehydes and ketones are reduced, then from aldehyde we will get primary alcohol. This is primary alcoholic group, and from ketone we will get secondary alcohol, CH3, CHOH, CH3. Secondary alcohol, this is secondary alcohol group. So carbonyl group will reduce to secondary alcohol. If any unsaturated aldehyde or ketone is taken, unsaturated, say for example I am giving this like aldehyde, this is an unsaturated aldehyde, here there is a unsaturation, here there is a unsaturation because there is a double bond. So it is being a aldehyde but unsaturated aldehyde. If this unsaturated aldehyde is reduced by hydrogen in presence of nickel or palladium, then you will see both the unsaturation and carbonyl group will be reduced, and you will get CH3 single bond CH2. These portions will be saturated, then CH2 CHO. So it is a strong reducing agent. Another reducing agents are also may be used to convert aldehydes and ketones to alcohols. This was number A. I am giving number B for another reducing agent. Say we are taking an aldehyde and ketone. If these are reduced, this is a sign of reduction. Sodium borohydride NaBH4 or lithium aluminum hydride LiAlH4. Then also aldehyde will be reduced to primary alcohol and ketone will be reduced to secondary alcohol. But here also you will see there is a difference, that lithium aluminum hydride is more powerful reducing agent than sodium borohydride, and it can be shown if you take an unsaturated aldehyde or ketone. Say I am taking same unsaturated aldehyde, or also you may use ketone, unsaturated aldehyde. If this is reduced 1 by sodium boron of sodium borohydride and one by lithium aluminum hydride. This is in short called ALAH, lithium aluminum hydride. This is more powerful reducing agent. This is weak reducing agent. Here the double bond will remain unaffected. Only the aldehyde portion will be reduced to primary alcohol. Only the aldehyde portion will be reduced to primary alcohol. If we use lithium aluminum hydride, then the unsaturated portion will also be affected. So this will also be reduced, CH3, CH2, CH2 and CH2OH. This portion have been reduced to CH2H and double bond will also be reduced to CH2 single bond. So this is more powerful reducing agent. Next one, number C. Another reagent, alcohols and aldehydes and ketones may be reduced by another process which is called MPV reduction. MPV reduction. There are three scientists, Meerwin, Pondorf and Vail. Reduction, MPV reduction. This is just opposite of open-air oxidation. In the preparation of alcohol, you have seen open-air oxidation. This is just opposite case in MPV reduction. Say, I am taking a ketone and is reduced in isopropyl alcohol with aluminum isopropoxide. This is aluminum isopropoxide. Then ketone will be reduced to secondary alcohol. So this is called MPV reduction.